Welcome back to Scube Wealth Grid, your strategic edge in a world of financial chaos. In our last video, we talked about why it's crucial to hold your cash right now, not out of fear, but out of timing. If you haven't watched that one yet, pause this and go check it out. Today, we're taking the next step. How do you build a recession-proof portfolio in 2025? Because cash is just the starting point. Eventually, you'll need to deploy it. And when you do, where you put your money could be the difference between wealth preservation and wealth destruction. Let's start with the golden rule. In uncertain times, prioritize defense before offense. A good portfolio isn't just built for returns, it's built for resilience. In 2025, the threats are real. High inflation that's still eroding purchasing power, interest rates that may remain elevated longer than expected, AI replacing jobs faster than we can reskill, and a geopolitical landscape that feels like a pressure cooker. And yet, amid this chaos, real generational wealth will be built by those who know where to look. First, let's talk about your core portfolio structure. Think of it like a pyramid. At the base, you need stable, low-volatility assets. These include things like U.S. Treasury bonds. Yes, they're boring, but in a high-rate environment, they pay decently and offer protection. Also consider short-term bond ETFs, high-yield savings, and money market accounts. These keep your portfolio grounded when the rest of the market swings. Next, layer up, dividend-paying blue-chip stocks. Companies with strong cash flow, low debt, and a history of paying dividends through thick and thin. Think consumer staples, healthcare giants, and utility companies. These are the survivors of every downturn. Above that, you can start layering in growth assets, but cautiously. This includes things like select tech stocks, renewable energy plays, and even real estate investment trusts, REITs, that focus on data centers or logistics hubs, areas still growing despite broader economic pressure. But here's the key. Avoid overexposure. Limit your speculative growth allocation to what you're mentally and financially prepared to lose. Because risk isn't the enemy. Unmanaged risk is. Now, let's talk alternative assets, the wildcard tier of your portfolio. In times of uncertainty, assets like gold, silver, and even Bitcoin can serve as hedges against currency devaluation and central bank missteps. But don't go all in. 5–10% exposure at most. Real estate? Be cautious. In many areas, prices are still inflated and interest rates are pricing out buyers. But if a correction hits and you're holding cash, that's your moment. Watch for distressed sales and rental markets with strong cash flow potential. Here's what most people forget. You are also part of your portfolio. Investing in your own skills, especially in areas like AI literacy, digital marketing, automation tools, coding, or anything that boosts your income potential, is recession-proofing your greatest asset, you. The job market is evolving, and those who evolve with it don't just survive, they thrive. Let's not forget one of the most overlooked portfolio tools, an emergency fund. In 2025, this isn't optional, it's mandatory. 3 to 6 months of expenses in a liquid, accessible account is what keeps you from selling your investments at a loss when life throws a curveball. And trust me, it will. Lastly, stay agile. The recession-proof portfolio isn't static, it breathes, it shifts with the times. Keep consuming content like this, track macroeconomic data, follow the Fed, listen to earnings reports, and don't be afraid to rebalance. Flexibility is power. If this helped clarify what your next financial move should look like, then like this video, hit that subscribe button, and join the Scube Wealth Grid movement. This channel isn't just about building wealth, it's about protecting it, positioning it, and multiplying it smartly. In our next episode, we're diving deep into 5 high-income skills that will still matter in an AI-dominated world. Because the money you make matters just as much as the money you invest. Don't miss it. Remember, when the economy shifts, the average react, the wealthy reposition. Be the latter.